Luna, what happened? What happened? Was that a scary experience? Are we just resting now? We all decided to get a drink of water. Oh my gosh. It's like she's sitting in the water. Nikki! Oh my gosh. This is too funny. Только Симба не лег.
Как все обделались.
Oh, that's so funny. Is it that serious? Nikki. Loon, what happened? Was that scary? Did we almost get attacked? Come on, let's go. Nikki's done. Nikki doesn't want to go. Come on, Nikki. Come on, Nikki. Nikki's done. Come on, Nikki. Look, she doesn't want to go, babe. Why? Come on. Loon. Loony. Loon. What happened, Loon? Loony, what happened? It's just too funny. You can't tell because Nikki's already black, but this girl, I've never seen this before. This is too funny. So we went on a walk. It's really, really hot outside. And the dogs are just done. They're just done. They want to just live in this little tiny creek. Luna, you ready to go home? Simba, you ready to go? No? Look. I mean, this is too funny. I've never seen this before. It's that hot. Nikki, what's going on, baby? Nikki, what's going on? Let's go. Let's go. What happened? Okay, nice little break. We cooled off. Nope. Not done. Let's go. Let's go, babies. Nope. Simba. Simba. Hey. Hey. So hot. We're cooling off. Yeah. Okay, we're done.